First of 10 large dogs. Japanese entry, Naomi Kamida, and driven 4-year-old border collie. Just a bit of hesitation going into that wall there, but over it and clear and clean so far, picking up a bit of speed going over the A-frame. No problems in that area of the course that has been difficult for so many competitors. Just a little pause at the end of the dog walk, but it's all good. This is a fine, clean, technical round from Naomi Kamida, and driven 38 and clear, Graham.
I am so pleased for Katsu. He's come a long way. Really great effort, and just shows what an international sport this is now.
From the international city of Preston in Lancashire, Sharon Reeder and Teddy, 7-year-old border collie. Crazy Ted can be, and they're hoping that Super Ted turns up today on the first afternoon at Crufts. That is a huge jumper, this one. Tail wagging, clearing the obstacles with ease, almost with contempt. Up over the seesaws. Look how quick through those reeds. That is absolutely spectacular. Beautiful jumper, great stylist. This clearing them by a distance, these jumps. That's fantastic. Again, tight turns through the tunnel. Really good round this so far. 24 on the clock and clear. Right way through the tunnel and out again. Absolutely terrific, but also picking up just 5 faults. Didn't get the contact area at the end of the A-frame. What a shame that is, because this has been spectacularly good and quick. And through they go at the end at 39.2.
And it was fault picked up. There we are, just misses it by half an inch, but they thought the dog was going really quickly. Just a shame.
Dalton Meredith and the Team GB squad, and Dust, 6-year-old border collie out of Ringwood, an agility trainer from Ringwood is Dalton. Or just again a slight bit of hesitation. Yep, but an elimination as well. Wrong way round those jumps, and there's the crossed arms from Dave DeVille, the agility judge. So they will compete and they will get experience. It's an unforgiving sport at times, this, Graham. Just a slight bit of hesitation, a slight bit of communication, and your round is ruined.
There is no room for error, especially on that little section, which we're going to see again later on. You've only got to be out of position by foot to 18 inches, and the dog will take the wrong obstacle. It's absolutely as tight as that. But again, Dalton, I don't think he's been across that many times, but he is one of the up-and-coming people that we're going to see a lot more of. So he will hopefully learn a lot from this. Just pointing, you see, he's just leaning forward, pushing the dog round there.
5 years of age, first time at Crufts.
Connie Sellers and Serge, 5-year-old border collie, first time at Crufts. Has a reputation for being a bit of a naughty dog, but all going to plan and all very obedient at the moment. Safely over the seesaw, rampaging through the weaves. Big clean jumps. 17 seconds and clear, shaping up to be a good round this for Connie and for Serge. A-frame is good. How about the tunnel? In the right way, out the right way as well. Dog walk, wasting no time over that. Good contact at the end of it too. These tight twisting ones at the end. This is going to be good. This is going to be tidy. This is going to be very good. 37 and clear. And that puts Connie Sellers and Serge into top spot.
Great round there from Collie. This is quite a big dog. It covers the ground effortlessly. Just puts a foot on the jump there.
Agent, 3-year-old border collie, and Sean Illingworth from Crawley. First time for Agent at Crufts. Really a newcomer and just starting his career. A dog for the future. Let's see what he can do here. And he has started off in great style. He started off almost like a Crufts veteran as Agent and Sean. Very promising beginning here. A-frame is okay, and it's a good time as well, but missing the tunnel. Again, that area, just 5 faults picked up. Oh, haven't seen anything quicker than that over the dog walk, that is for sure. Those pesky 5 points are there, though, but that's a very, very quick time, 38.6.
Shaw's developed into a fantastic handler and dog trainer now, and she'll be a little bit annoyed that she assumed the dog was going to go into the tunnel, and you can never assume anything where dogs are concerned.
From the Isle of Man, Teddy, 5-year-old Border Collie, and Stephen Goldsmith, first time at Crufts for both of them, representing the Isle of Man in agility competitions, or they will be there representing the Isle of Man in the agility on Saturday. Always gives 100% this dog, and 100% has to improve on 37.1 and clear. Not the fastest start that we have seen, but it's precise and faultless thus far. Losing just a little bit of time, a big wide turn there going into that one. A-frame is okay. How about the tunnel in the right way and out of the right way as well? Wants to pick up speed here, it's good. Needs to pick up a bit of speed, he won't do it that way. Very slow coming off the dog walk. Again, tight and twisting. And through the tyre at the end. That's good, that really is good. 41.1, and it is clear as well for Stephen, and that's good enough for third place.
And look at the action of that dog through the weaving poles, just bending its legs to get them around it. Absolutely fantastic action.
Continuing the large section of the British Open, Naomi Kamida, being in the International on Saturday, and Swanee, 4-year-old Border Collie.
And we saw Naomi's husband earlier on, Katsu, running his dog and set a really good time. This is a very quick dog. Been here for first time. Oh yeah, just about there. Nice entry into the weaving pole. So you watch the way that she's handling this dog, pointing, just being absolutely clear as to what she wants the dog to do. Call. Yep, now she'll start to run away, so the dog chases her, always goes faster when it's chasing you. Very nice round this is shaping up into. Has she got good contacts? We'll know the answer in just a minute. Yes, she has. Pushes round the IAMS jump, over round the back of the jump. Come on, Naomi, keep it together. Push on. Tell him to go on. Yeah, well done. Very nice. Just puts her into second place. Oh, look at that. Fantastic.
Only a handful to go now. Next to go, we've got Martin Reed, Wilton Spring, Border Collie, 6 years of age, agility champion.
Spring, 6-year-old Border Collie, and Martin Reed, a Team GB combination, picked up a silver in the Europeans out of Devon. These two, they know they have to get in the 37-second region and be clear as well to threaten the leaders here.
Well within their capabilities for this partnership. Very experienced international competitors. Martin's a fantastic handler. He's got a great dog here, Jim. Let's just see how he's shaping up.
He's doing pretty well so far, and it's looking good on the clock as well. A-frame is okay. What about the tunnel? That's good. Needs to be really speedy and clean over that. This is going to be close, you know. This is going to be really close. It could well be the fastest so far. It could well be. It is indeed. Oh my goodness, by 2 clear seconds. Proper performance, Graham.
Well, I don't want to say I told you so,
well,
but
you did.
He's just, it's effortless, and he's just everything that makes agility good. Fantastic round.
Next in, we've got Anthony Clark, protest is the Diana dog, Border Collie, 6 years of age.
Penultimate dog, Anthony Clark, and protest, 6-year-old Border Collie in the Europeans and the Worlds last year, in the squad this year. 35.9 and clear to beat. That is an awesome time. Nothing can go wrong here if they're going to win this particular section. It's good. This is really building to a terrific climax, this competition, and protest is wasting no time at all. Anthony right in sync with his dog too. Clock's looking okay, just picking up 5 faults. What a shame that is, picking up the 5 faults there. On the dog walk is good. It's going to be quick, but there are going to be faults on there as well. It's going to be really good time, 36.0. That is absolutely excellent for Anthony and for protest.
And that's what happens when someone's put in a really quick time in front of you. You start to rush things because you know you can't waste even a millisecond.
Last dog. Dan, Shaw and Geek, 6-year-old border collie. They are having a fantastic year. They will have to put in a fantastic performance here to beat 35.9 and no penalty points set by Martin Reed. Hushed crowd here now. Everybody concentrating on Dan and Geek. Tail wagging really, really quick through the weaves, looking terrific, right in front of our commentary position here now. Tight turns, not dropping any time. This is right up with the clock, don't worry about that. The A-frame is good, that jump is good too. Through the tunnel, excellent. Dog walk, tail wagging, yep, feet planted perfectly. Oh, just a bit of hesitation there, but it's still right up with it, it's still well up with it. Oh, 36.2, what fine margins there. Just that bit of hesitation, and who knows the difference between winning and second place.
Absolutely tremendous. No time wasted there on that A-frame, but where the time was lost, whereas the previous dog didn't stop there, he did, and then a little bit of confusion, and I think it was probably 0.3 of a second, and that was it. Such a shame. What a great competition though, Jim.
We promised you high quality, we got high quality. Martin Reed and Spring, top of the pile. Dan, Shaw and Geek, the border collie, who are enjoying a fantastic year just outside it. And Connie Sellers and Serge, first time at Crufts, and Serge delivering into third place. Terrific. So we're looking at the overall rankings in the small section. Rachel Ward first, Bonnie Quick second, and Belmiro Sousa in third place.
Someone type in the message to the Crufts screen now. Please, I want to see.
These are the overall rankings in the small section.
Send your message. Are you having a good time today, baby? And you can answer it. Are you looking forward to flyball?
And moving on and looking at the medium section. Heather McLean and Marita Davis, top two, and Hayley Telling in third. Liesl Plecker and Michelle Johnson 4 and 5.
Are we going on to anything else at the moment, or are we going to wait around for a minute and see if they come up?
And that completes the rankings in the medium section, so just a large to go.
I think I'm going to have to do it myself to see if it works. Come on, Charlie, get your phone out.
Combined rankings then, Dan Shaw, Martin Reed and Naomi Kamida, the top three. And that completes the overall rankings in the Kennel Club Novice Cup large section.
So we're going into the presentations now, and it'll be in two parts. First of all, we'll be presenting the prizes for the agility section, which we've just seen. And then we will be presenting the prizes to the winner of the overall competition. And again, presenting the prizes is Catherine Mansfield, Canine Activities Executive. And presenting the award to Rachel Ward.
Well done, my mind.
Sorry. You carry on.
And then Sarah McLean. And then moving on to the medium section is Liesl Plecker. And Heather McLean, second place. And in the agility, was Martin Reed was the large agility winner, and in second place was Dan Shaw with Geek. Is he pleased? Yes, he is, and that's what it's all about, and so's the dog. So the next presentation will be the overall.
Okay. So what we've now done is we've combined the two scores from the agility and the jumping together, and we've now come up with our overall winners. And starting with the small, first of all, in first place, Rachel Ward with
So
Pretty
overall
Dear.
winner in the small category
Well
was
done,
Rachel Ward. Pretty in pink, I think they say. Big congratulations
In
by
second
Catherine
place
Mansfield,
was
as I
Bonnie
say.
Quick with agility
all
champion
bling on.
Goldheart Trail of Flames.
And in second place was Bonnie Quick. What a great competition that was between the smalls.
And on to the medium dogs. In first
And
place
into the medium
was
place,
Heather McLean.
first overall was
Navigator.
Heather McLean. Know Heather very well. She is going to be absolutely delighted with this win. Well overdue for her. Very, very well deserved. And Marita Davis taking second
And here we
place.
go, presentation for the large dogs.
And the presentation for the large overall.
Agility champion.
The winner was Dan
Redefined.
Shaw with Geek, having an absolutely fantastic 12, 18 months. Really coming on fantastically well as a handler and a partnership, and continuing his competition with Martin Reed there, picking up second place. What a great competition, Jim. Absolutely fabulous.
And it's lap of honour time.
And off they go on the lap of honour. Well-deserved lap of honour for everybody. Main arena at Crufts. Over 5,000 people are here on the very first afternoon of Crufts 2019.